Hello! We're going to do Staar Review 1 today. We're going to do the first few problems. These are probably the most important papers you're going to be doing. You'll get one every week. We'll do a few of the problems together every day, and then you'll finish the rest up. It'll be due next Monday, or the first Monday, or if we're out Monday, it'll be Tuesday. Okay, so you'll get one of these every week. Yeah, Bill. Okay, so we're going to start today. We're going to do this part right here, okay? So we're going to graph the lines. This is all from 8th grade math, okay? See how much we can remember here. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is graph x equals 4. And I can kind of zoom in right here. So x equals 4 means it only crosses the x-axis, and it crosses the x-axis at 4. So I'm going to go to my x-axis at 4, put a dot. And now then I can only cross the x-axis. So if I go left and right, I'm going to go through the y-axis. So the x equal line is going to be a line that goes straight up and down through the x-axis at 4. So no matter what, the x is always 4 on this line, which is what the equation says. Okay, now then we're going to graph y equal 2, or negative 2. So on this line, y will always be negative 2. So I'm going to go to the y-axis and go down to negative 2 and draw a dot. And I want the y to always be negative 2, so it won't go up or down, it's going to go flat in it. Okay, so this will be a horizontal line. So I have my red line, my horizontal line. Now I'm going to graph x equals 1/2 x minus 1. Change ink again. So this problem, remember, this is mx plus b. If you need to remember that, write it down here. That's from 8th grade math. The m is the slope, the b is the y-intercept. So my slope is 1/2, and my y-intercept is negative 1. And remember, your slope tells you to go up or down and to the right, up or down to the right. Okay, so our y-intercept's negative 1. So at the y-axis, I'm going to put a dot at negative 1. And my slope is positive, so it tells me to go up. I'm going to go up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2. So I'm going to go right here, go up 1, right 2, and then keep repeating a series of dots. That's as far up to the right as I can, so I'm going to go backwards. So the opposite of up and to the right is down and to the left. So down 1, left 2, down 1, left 2, down 1, left 2, and now I have an array of dots that will form a line, won't they? It's a constant rate of change, which is what the slope is, right? So I'm going to draw my line. This is actually line 3. This will be line 1, and the blue one would be line 2 with it. So you want to label the lines. The first, like for a long, long time, we're going to be drawing 3 lines on this, and it's going to make a triangle. Okay? The shape formed by the 3 triangles is a right triangle. Sorry about my handwriting. Okay, so in our triangle, this will be the base, this will be the height, and this edge right here is called the hypotenuse, right? So we know the base, the height, the hypotenuse. This is also A, B, and C, right? A squared plus B squared equals C squared in it. Okay, so the base of the triangle is from here to here. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units long. Okay, the height is from here to here, and it's going to be 1, 2, 3 units long. Okay, so the area is going to be 1/2 times 6 times 3. 1/2 of 6 is 3, and 3 times 3 is 9. You can do 6 times 3 is 18, divide by 2, get 9. So it's 9 units squared. So the area of that triangle would be 9 of the units squared. The Pythagorean to the nearest 10th. Okay, so we have 6 and 3, don't we? So we're going to do 6 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. You did this in 8th grade math. Okay, 6 times 6 is 36. Plus 3 times 3 is 9 equals c squared. That's going to be 45 equals c squared. And I do not have a calculator. Well, hold on. See if I can pull my calculator up. So I need to get the square root of 45. 45, where's the square root symbol? Right here. 6.7. So the hypotenuse will be 6.7 units long. So let me go back to the drawboard. So this is going to be C equals 6.7. Okay, so this problem here, we graphed a y equal line, we graphed an x equal line, we graphed a line with a slope and a y-intercept, we got the area of the triangle, and we used Pythagorean theorem and calculated the hypotenuse to the nearest tenth. This has been Mr. Toups. The first 7 problems on your STAR review are done, and we will do some more tomorrow. Always believe